I'm Annie, and this is the Volmate solar motion sensor light. You can see I don't have it installed right now. I did set it up outside but didn't screw it in so that I could bring it back inside and show you how it works. The light itself works fairly well if you have a constant source of light. It's actually not on right now because we've had a lot of rainy days lately thanks to the hurricane. So I'm not able to actually show you it with it on. But if you do have a good source of light and you can put it in a location outside that gets light all day long, you're going to be in good shape. The issue is that the instructions say that you're not supposed to put it anywhere that it's exposed to water. So I don't have anywhere near my house that I can install it that it's under an overhang to keep it dry, but it's still being exposed to sunshine all day long. If you give it part day sun, you're only going to get maybe an hour or two of life out of it at night, which is not really great. But if you do have an area that you can not expose it to sun, not expose it to rain, but you can keep it in the sun, you're going to be in pretty good shape. As far as how it works, there is an on-off toggle here that you'll have to access with either the included pin that comes with it that's not sharp, or I've already misplaced my pin, so I have just a straight pin. But you have to put it in and click to toggle it on and off. That's the only way to disable it. I wish there was a switch, because sometimes if you don't want to be using it, you don't want to have to, dig out a pin to try to find it. And this hole also isn't big enough for anything larger like a paperclip. This is the actual motion sensor. This is the light portion. When you mount it, you're going to mount it with the screws going through there up against the wall. So this top panel needs to be exposed to the sun, preferably on a south-facing wall. It does have a dim light that stays lit even when it's not being tripped, and then when you trip the light, it'll come on and it'll be a lot brighter. And it works fairly well. It is I would say this is a budget light. It's not going to perform as well as, a $50 light would, but it works pretty well. The biggest downside is, of course, the lack of sunshine, because it's not supposed to get wet. This top section is sealed, however. I don't know if you can see, there's not any seams where water can get into the panel. It is completely protected. So if you did want to put this out in the rain, it may be okay, it may not be, I have no idea. I just know that the instructions say not to do that.